everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Front. So in this video we're going to see how we can connect Front with Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook, and we're going to learn how we're going to set it up. So what is Front? Front is a customer communication platform designed to streamline and manage team-based communication, especially for business handling high volume of messages. It combines email, social media, SMS, live chat and more into a shared inbox. Front is particularly useful for customer support, sales team and collaborative environments where multiple people need to access the same message. And we're going to be learning how we're going to set up Webhook inside Front with Pabbly Connect. So I've created a workflow in the name of how to set up Webhook inside Front, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says trigger, other says action. Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We're going to set up our trigger step and we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Front. For the trigger application over here, I'm going to select it as Front, as we're going to learn how we're going to set up Webhook inside Front. And next, for the trigger event, you can see that there are multiple trigger events that Pabbly Connect has provided us. Okay. For the trigger event, first is tag is added. Whenever a tag is going to be added in a Front account, with the help of this trigger event, we're going to have the response of it. Next is trigger remove. Whenever a tag is going to be removed from our Front account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response with the help of this trigger event. It says new comment is added. Whenever a new comment is going to be added in our Front account, with the help of this event, we are going to have the response. And last is configure Webhook. If you want to add more Webhook, you want to add more trigger events with the help of Front and Pabbly Connect, you can select this configure Webhook option right over here. Okay, as in this video we're going to learn how we're going to add a tag. Okay, so I'm going to select my trigger event as tag is added. So now whenever a new tag is going to be added in my Front account, how Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Okay, after selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a Webhook URL. With the help of this unique Webhook URL, we are going to connect Front to Pabbly Connect. I'm going to copy this URL from here, and after that I'm going to follow the steps given here below in the help desk to connect Front to Pabbly Connect. Firstly, it says log into your Front account. On the right hand side, click on settings, search for Webhook and make it enable. On the left hand side, within the application, select rules and macrons. Create a new rule by providing the name and choose the trigger as tag is added. Select to send Webhook from the action step and paste in within the select send to Webhook field. Click on capture Webhook response button below and perform test record to ensure Webhook response is captured here. So we're going to follow the steps given here below one by one. Open your Front account, log into your Front account. So this is my Front account, as you can see right over here. Now to connect this account to Pabbly Connect, on the top right corner you can see a settings button is provided. We're going to click on it. After that, what we have to do is you will be landed towards the settings page, and over here on the search bar you have to search for Webhooks. Okay, you can see Webhooks is provided. We're going to click on it. I've already enabled Webhook by clicking on this button right over here. You have to enable this Webhook right over here so that you can connect Pabbly Connect to your Front account. I've already enabled the Webhook, so I'm going to move forward. From the left side of the panel, under the applications that you have created in your Front account, we have to click on rules and macrons, as you can see right over here. Okay, after click on it, you will be forwarded towards the page you can see, and over here it says create rule. We are going to click on this create rule button. I want to create it from scratch, so I'm going to click on this create from scratch button. Over here it is asking for us to give a name to our rule, so I'm going to give a name to my rule as test right over here. Okay, after that over here it is asking for the trigger. For the trigger we have to search for tag is added, so that whenever a tag is going to be added, with the help of this tool, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. For the if, for the condition over here, for the conversation, and I'm going to select in any inbox. Okay, and for the action over here, I'm going to search over here for the Webhook and I'm going to click on send to Webhook. Over here for the target Webhook, I'm going to paste the Webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this create button. As I've done that, you can see a Webhook in the name of test has been created in my Front account. So as the Webhook is now been created, I'm going to create a tag in my Front account and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of that tag that we are creating in our Front account or not. For that, I'm going to open my Front account. So this is the main page of my Front account, and we're going to create a new, we are going to compose a new mail with the help of this Front account right over here. We are going to fill in the dummy details. For the to right over here, I'm going to select the email to whom I want to send an email to. So I'm going to select over here the email. For the subject of the email, I'm going to select it as test email, okay? And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as test message, okay? So this is the message, and as the event is that whenever a tag is added, so I'm going to add a tag to this message right over here. I'm going to add a new tag. I'm going to give a tag name over here as new tag, okay? For the workspace over here, I'm going to select the workspace that I want. For the tag over here, I'm going to select a random tag like test tags right over here, okay? And after filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this create button. A tag is now been added, as you can see right over here, okay? After the message is created, I'm going to click on this send and archive button. You can see a message has been forwarded. You can see right over here the name of test email. The message is test message, and for the tag is the new tag under test tags, as you can see right over here. So as now the tag is added in my front account, I'm going to open my workflow and I'm going to scroll down, and yes, you can see we've received a response of the tag being created in our Pabbly Connect workflow that we have created. Let us tally the response whether this is the same tag or not, okay? You can see the name of the tag is new tag right over here with all the other details. So this is how you set up a webhook inside front with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.